So you need to map a large area in a short amount of time, and a typical multi-rotor drone is not going to be able to cover that much ground. Well, we might have a solution. It is the Wingtra Ray. We're going to talk about it. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, David here from Unmanned Vehicle Technologies. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we wanted to talk about something a little bit different. We're usually talking about multi-rotor drones. Those drones typically have 4 rotors, but these typically are going to be quadcopters, and that's what most people think of when you think of a drone, is the drone with 4 rotors. But if you're somebody in surveying, those drones might not be able to cover the ground that you need to cover. If you're mapping a large area, the quadcopters are only going to be able to do it in a certain amount of time because of battery life. So today I wanted to talk about another option that is going to allow you to capture huge areas really quickly, and those are VTOLs, or vertical takeoff and landing drones. And specifically, I wanted to talk about the Wingtra Ray. The Wingtra Ray is a VTOL. It is a fixed wing drone. You can literally take off straight up from the ground, and eventually, as it gets to the height where you're wanting to do your map, it is going to even out and it's going to fly straight. Now, with the photogrammetry payload on this drone, you're going to be able to fly for 59 minutes. Now, when you think about that, maybe that doesn't seem like a lot longer than your typical quadcopter, but it really goes a long way because of the speed that the Wingtra Ray travels. It can fly 50 miles an hour and can cover 1,300 acres in a single flight. It's actually 10 times faster than using a quadcopter, and it's 30 times faster than traditional mapping methods. So you are really speeding things up, making you more efficient, making things go faster, and getting the results you need. Now, if you put the LiDAR payload on the Wingtra Ray, you're going to get about 45 minutes of flight time, and it'll cover 1,100 acres. So using RTK is going to give you centimeter level accuracy. RTK is essentially GPS on steroids. It's going to make everything really precise, and it's going to give you really accurate maps. As I mentioned, you have swappable payloads for this drone, everything from high resolution photogrammetry payloads. They can be used for mapping or surveying. As I mentioned, there's a LiDAR payload available, and there's a multispectral payload as well for agriculture, which is going to enable you to predict the health of your crops before you can see it with the naked eye. Once you finish with your mission, you are going to get CAD and GIS ready files, so processing your data is going to be easy. There's even a parachute for the Wingtra Ray, which allows you to fly over roadways, over populated areas, which you wouldn't be able to do if you didn't have that parachute. It's built to be a one-person operation, so you don't have to have multiple people out there just to complete your mission. The Wingtra Ray is also NDAA compliant. It is on the blue UAS list, and it is on the green UAS list. So you're going to be able to use this for all sorts of operations, whether that is military work or you're in the private sector. If you need something quick and efficient, this is going to be a great option for you. If you're interested in the Wingtra Ray, or you just want more information on any of the drones we offer here at UVT, make sure you reach out to us. We've got experts across the country that are willing to answer your questions, and we are ready to set up demonstrations so that you can see the Wingtra Ray firsthand. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.